Hello, I'm Doug Beasley. I'm a consulting engineer with Cisco Systems Worldwide Partner Organization, and I'd like to welcome you to Oracle Open World 2010. So I'm standing before my demo here that I built here at Cisco, and it's a remotely accessible demo back to Cisco's headquarters, but it really shows the value of Oracle Real Application Clusters on Cisco Unified Computing System. So I built a demo that shows a few of the use cases that we worked collaboratively with Oracle on that really show the value of how UCS better enables Oracle RAC. So one of the first use cases that we went after was an N+1 failover scenario. This is a demo that shows real time of that when a node fails in a RAC cluster, how I can go into UCS Manager and I can, with a few clicks, reassign a service profile, move it over to a spare blade, bring the RAC node back up, and in a few minutes you have your RAC cluster back to normal, all without any dips in traffic. The other demo that I show is a capacity on demand. So imagine a month-end scenario. Let's say a large company that does monthly billing. They don't need that full compute capacity all month long. So they can power down some servers, they can release that capacity in the compute environment and make it available to other applications during the month. So at the end of the month, they can bring that capacity back as needed, hence capacity on demand, and have the compute capability be there for those intense applications. Think of like a utility company that does end-of-month billing. So that end-of-month billing requires a lot of compute resources. So with this demo, I can show that I can bring back a node online, all without having to reinstall any software, because we've already installed software out on the SAN, and this is a boot from SAN environment. So we boot from SAN, bring back, reassociate a profile, it boots up, you have the capacity, the customer's able to go and perform their transactions that they need to do, and at the end of the time, then they can disassociate the profile, free up that compute capacity, or even depower down that capacity so they're not wasting energy. The third demo that I show here is a node upgrade. So imagine a customer that either has bought new compute capacity or new compute capability from Cisco, such as a higher processor speed or more memory. They can slide that new blade into the system, and then they can go to UCS Manager and they can reassociate the profile of an existing rack node over to that new compute capacity, and they're up and running again in a matter of minutes with very minimal downtime. And they can repeat that for all the nodes within the cluster. And then they vertically scale, they have more capacity, and they're off and running. So come to Open World, come see my demo. This is it's been very valuable, or it's been perceived as very valuable by customers who come through here. They really like the stateless computing capability of Cisco UCS, and they believe that Cisco really is adding value to the Oracle RAC environment. Thank you.